Is your business stuck in the past with traditional phone lines, tired of high costs and limited features? Then it's time to switch to SIP trunking. But with so many SIP trunk providers out there, how do you choose the right one for you? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll break down the key factors to consider when selecting a SIP trunk service provider. First, think about the features you need. Do you want call recording to improve customer service, or video conferencing for remote collaboration? Make sure your chosen provider offers the features that will streamline your business communication. Next, consider pricing. SIP trunk providers offer various pricing models. Understand your call volume and choose a plan that fits your budget. But price isn't everything. Reliability is crucial. Look for a provider with a strong uptime record and robust infrastructure to ensure crystal clear call quality. Security is also paramount. Make sure your provider prioritizes data security with encryption and other safeguards to protect your business communications. Finally, ensure compatibility. Choose a provider whose SIP trunks work seamlessly with your existing phone system, PBX. By considering these factors, features, pricing, reliability, security, and compatibility, you'll be well on your way to selecting the perfect SIP trunk service provider for your business needs. Ready to take your business communication to the next level? Check us out at mycountrymobile.com to learn more about SIP trunking and find the right provider for you. My Country Mobile, your communication and technology partner.